Chat, what is up, everybody? I hope you're all having a great night. I'm having a pretty good day. We will be doing again the 5-0 strategy tonight. See if we can make some more money on our accounts. Double our little $300. See if we can get it up to $600 tonight. Wait for this candle to close, obviously. Yeah, how did everybody's day go today? Mine went pretty good. Made some money. I didn't lose any, so I'm very happy about that. Went and found out that my baby girl is doing fantastic now. She's actually gaining weight like she's supposed to be doing. So we're not having to worry about anything there. Yeah. But go ahead and show you on TradingView what I'm looking at today. One chat. Dun, 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 dun. There it is. You know what, chat? We can just do this. All right, chat. So this is what I'm looking at today. We got 50 seconds before this 5-minute candle closes. We were extremely bullish from the 5-0 last night. It almost came and took us out. Thankfully, it did not. I ended up $2,000 up on my other accounts, on one of my other accounts. And I ended up $300 on both of my Edge Funder accounts, as you can see right here. Just $3 short of it. But yeah, so we were extremely bullish. We pushed all the way from London all the way back up, and I think that was about $4,000. So, and this is $4,000 from the entry, by the way. So this was the entry all the way up. Yeah, it was about $4,300. So already on the week, we're up quite a bit of money. And that first 5-minute candle closed. It closed red, or bullish, not bullish, bearish. I'm so sorry, chat. So we're going to go here and we're going to set a limit order or a stop order for a sell. Right here.
Order
sell.
filled.
All right, he already tapped us in. TP. We're going to aim for a 300 again tonight. Our stop loss is only $58. Oh, you know what, chat? We're going to add an extra 3 cons right here.
Order filled.
There. We're risking $118 to make 307. Let's see how it plays out. I think it's going to play out pretty good. Give me a baby. I know that's what you came in here for. As you can see, I got my little helper here tonight. Chat, we're already $22 up for tonight. See how well it plays out. Boop, 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 boop. Sorry, she doesn't want to be sitting down. What do you think about the music tonight, chat? Are y'all cool with the lo-fi? Dum, dum, dum. Dum, dum, dum. Dum, 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 dum. Let's go, Cousin Kurt. How do you get your chart like that? I just put, what do you mean, which chart are you talking about? My TradingView chart or? Let's see. That's too much. Sorry, chat. I'm also trying to get my other accounts set up for this right now. Boom. All right. What's wrong, mama? What's wrong? What's wrong? You want your food? Chat, give me... I'm on YouTube and TikTok at the same time, Joseph. Give me 1 second so I can get her a bottle. Look at my baby, all happy now that she's got a bottle in her mouth. Woo! Ooh. We're pushing pretty good tonight on this 5-0 strat tonight, chat. Oh my god, I didn't start the recording. What is wrong with me? Can't hear it on TikTok? Give me 1 second. You should be able to hear me now. Yo, what's up, Lyric? She's just cranky. She don't want to eat. She don't want to be sitting down. Here, let's take this jacket off. Maybe that's your problem. Too hot, huh? Too hot. Says too hot, Dad. I know you don't have a dirty diaper. I just changed you. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. There we go. How's that make you feel, huh? Bad. Ooh, she almost hit me into my mouth. We're up $130 right now. Ow, baby girl, that hurt. That hurt so bad. Can't do that to me. Let's see what it would be on regular NQ. I am taking it on another account for regular. You know what? My bad, chat. Back here. Boom. Trades already activated. Limit. Sell. Put it back up here. Right now, we'd be up $305 already, and you're only risking $170. Not bad, chat. Not bad at all. This is a very, very small stop. So the fact that it already hit TP1, there's a good chance it'll come back up and hit our stop loss. Dun, 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 dun. If it doesn't, kudos to us, right? Oh, Cousin Kurt, what is up, man? All right. You're being fussy tonight, huh? Fussy. We literally only need it to come down 15 more points. $15 points, and I'm out of this on my Edge Funder account. Oh, you know what I didn't do? I didn't copy trade it. Oh well. We'll just see. This. We'll do this, and boom. And then we will put a limit order right here. And sell. And we'll do 6 on that, so we'll do another 3 and sell. And then the stop loss will be right here for both. And then TP will be down at 170 for both. Like that. Boom. It does look like we're going to go ahead and hit this TP though tonight on the other account. We're about up $160 already. How's everyone doing tonight, though? How's everyone doing? As you can see, I got my baby with me. My baby. My baby. She stuck her tongue out at y'all. Haha. Say ha-ha. Ouch. Probably not going to be as... Sorry, baby girl. Jesus. Probably not going to be live as long as I was last night. Just because she'll get cranky soon and she'll want to go inside. Up 166. Let's see if we can continue to push down. I do want to see it come down a little bit lower. I would like for it to come back up and get me on my other accounts. If it doesn't, though, all good. If it does, that would be fantastic. But I would like to see it come back down and come into this gap right here sometime tonight. Who knows? We'll see if that happens. Dun, 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 dun. I want to see it come down to this gap right down here. See, she's already getting fussy. Already getting fussy. For no reason, huh? No reason, you just want to get fussy. We're up 175 now. 166 again. Looks like we might start pushing up. What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? Is anybody else trading tonight? Cousin Kurt? Joseph? Anybody else in here? Amon Lore? Simond? Joe is banned. Joe is banned. Yeah. Yeah, I heard that he's banned from trading for the rest of the day. Why didn't you get on him? Why didn't you stop him? We were gambling together. No! Don't teach him bad habits. You're good at it. Don't teach him the bad habits. You know what your punishment will be. Yep, that's what I figured. It came down to TP2. Or no, it came down to TP1. And now it's pushing back up. I won't be surprised if it goes and hits stop loss tonight. Ideally, I would love for it to shoot down or first come back up, grab my other accounts, and then shoot down to... Where's my other gap? Oh, here it is. My other gap down here. This was last week's gap. You son of a gun. There we go. Reset this. Dang, baby girl, that hurts every time you do it. Just smacking me in my head. You want your milk? I gotta show y'all a cool feature after I get done getting her to eat a little bit. The Edge Funder just added it, and it's a personalized journal that links with your account, and it'll tell you any trades that you took, if they were winners, losses. Honestly, I think this is a game changer when it comes to prop firms, because most prop firms don't have this, so you have to go in and do it yourself. You have to enter it manually. But the fact that this has it automatically, it's so amazing. Drink a milk. All right, she's being fussy. Let's look at this. Boom. Look at that. I took one trade yesterday, chat. One trade. And it shows it for me. Shows me all the information about it. Oh, man. I didn't know I could add a strategy to it. Five -O. Strat. Add. 3 cons. Fees 0, 297 was the profit. It literally shows everything. Go. Chill out. Save. That is awesome. That is so awesome. I'm so happy that they did this. This is definitely one of the best things that a prop firm could add. Chat, we're moving back down. We're about up 175. We need about another $100 for me to close the trade tonight. We need about 10 points. I think we can hit that within the next 10 minutes. What's wrong? I don't want to stand up anymore. You had me standing all day. All day. See how happy she was, chat? Oh, shoot! 6 more points! Let's go in queue. Drop, baby, drop. Get me my $300 tonight. Get me the 300. Let's go. Let's make it 2 wins back to back. We need 6 points. Exactly 6 points. 5 points. We need 5 points now. Ew, what are you doing? Don't do that. I'm gonna start adding some sound effects, chat. Be like, boom! Still need 6 points. Now we need 7 points. Uh-oh, 8 points. Come on, NQ, don't do me dirty. don't do me dirty. No, 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 don't do me dirty. Come hit the TP, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Ugh. Ah. Ah. 5 points, chat. 5 points. You think we're going to hit it, chat? You think we're going to get it? We got 5 people in there watching with 300 likes already. Let's go. All right, now we need 8 points. And you know what, chat? I have to follow the rules. We have already hit TP2, so I have to move my stop loss down. There we go. At least I'll cover fees if it comes back up. Do I want it to come back up? No, I want it to go hit TP now. We're only 7 points from it. Now we're 9 points away. 8, 9, 8, 10, 9. Y'all think we're going to go hit it, chat? JC, as I mentioned yesterday, the Wave Discord, it got put into a private Discord for right now. They're going to revamp it, and then they'll open it back up into the public. You should look into the Edge Funder, JC. They got an amazing Discord that's willing to help everybody out, and they got awesome accounts as well. You should go look into it. And if you do, make sure you use code GrayWolf59 when you purchase the account. You get 10% off, and they're all straight funded. Yeah, I figured a lot of people have been coming to ask me what happened. All right, chat, we're 10 points away from TP again. Will you stop trying to bite me? Bro, if you want something to bite, you can drink your bottle. Not me. I don't want to be bit. Drink your bottle, drink your bottle, drink your bottle. Girl, you need to eat. Fine, I'm not going to force you. Here, let's take you inside. Be right back, chat. All right, chat, I'm back. I'm back. I see that we have pushed up a little bit. 13 points away from TP now. Okay, now we're 15 points away from TP. 17 points away from TP. All right, what happened? What did I just walk away from and come back to? Yo, what is up, Gage? Alfie, I see you down there on YouTube. What is up? Not looking good for us, chat. Not looking good for us. It pumped really quick. Literally one candle on the 1 minute was 3 points. Crazy. This is the 5-minute time frame, by the way. This is the only way I trade the this strategy. We're coming back down now. Hopefully we'll continue to push back down. I'd like to see it come back down here. But yeah, we're currently just sitting right here waiting to come down. Or yeah, waiting for it to push down to 26,070 range. I think it'll come down. I'm hoping anyway. If it doesn't, it'll come. Tap us out, $13 in profit. We'll give it one more try and see if it'll hit it then. If it doesn't, then we'll just call it a night there. It looks like it wants to come back down. We're about to be pushing back below the 80 range. We are pushing down pretty hard right now. Turn that off. Maybe we'll come back down, hit the stop loss or the TP. Not the stop loss. Let me chill out now. Currently up $184. Looking like it wants to come down, so I'm hoping it does. Should come and take this. Let me go to. Should come and take this New York PM low. That's what I'm hoping that it come and does. Yeah, Alfie, I am. Hey, Terry, how are you doing? Nice, nice, nice. Thought you said you missed the entry. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, if you want me to be honest, Terry, I think we're going to come down to at least this New York PM low right here. We could even push down to the New York AM low. Chat, this is how I mark out certain key levels. One, I do the daily levels, which let me go ahead and update them real quick, and y'all can see me update them. This was not grabbed, so we will turn it pink. This means that it's an unmitigated level. And then we will come over here. This one out. Boom. This one wasn't grabbed, so this one becomes pink. Turn this one purple. Purple are the daily lines. Pink ones are the unmitigated levels. Meaning that there's a strong price or small, I'm sorry, chat. Means that there is a high chance that it will come down there to grab it. By the way, I just want to give a shout out to my mentor. Everything that I'm doing right now, I learned from him. I don't ever take credit for things that I didn't learn on my own. I learned all this from him, and then I tweaked it to work for me the best way, in the way I like to trade. Let's see. Price came and hit this one, so we can just use this. Pull it up. And then this one. All right, chat. There's our daily levels, our unmitigated levels. And then, yeah, like I said, chat, I learned all this. Do you remove it when mitigated or just change color? No, so when the pink lines are hit, I delete them. They're gone. Because at that time, the liquidity was grabbed and there's no reason to keep them anymore, in my honest opinion. Like I said, I learned everything from my mentor, and then I just adjusted it to work with the best way I trade. Honestly, it didn't need any adjustment because his trading style is already phenomenal as it is. He's a crazy phenomenal trader, so no, dang it, I just messed that up. Here's the bad thing about having so many lines on the screen. You accidentally grab one and then you got to go back and fix it. But yeah, so I have two strategies that I do. I do the 5-0 strat that I learned from him. And then the other strategy is what's called liquidity sweeps of highs and lows, and IFVGs. So if you go over here, I stick on the 5-minute time frame always. I never go off the 5-minute time frame. So what I'm looking for is, I saw it came up here. It took the London high right here. Let me see. it took the London high, and then it also took the New York AM high from yesterday. Came up, came back down, created IFVG. It's also could be considered a reversal. I hopped in after this right here, or I would have hopped in. I did not take no trades this morning. I would have hopped in right here, and I would have wrote it down to the daily level, which is right here. And I would have continued to write it down until the last daily level was hit, which I think it was this one right here. It did not hit it, but I would have moved my TP or my stop loss to break even. And then once TP2 hit, I would have moved it to TP1 just because these are already huge jumps. So like, if you look at this right here, my entry would have been right here. Stop loss would have been at the high of the previous, or the daily level, the previous daily level. And then my TP would have been down right here where this daily level is, which is about $4,000. Like I said, it did miss it very shyly, but it did come down and make about $3,700. So yeah. I use the daily levels, which I also learned from my mentor, in conjunction with this strategy that I trade right here. Chat, we might hit TP, about 4 points away from it. Currently up 260, 3 points away from it. Of course, when I come and look at it, that's when it wants to start like playing around so much. It tapped it. It didn't take me out. That's kind of crazy. That's crazy. Crazy. And I got that all on video. Look at that. You literally can't miss it. Tapped it. Tapped it, chat. And it didn't take me out. No. Oh, there we go. Let's go. TP hit. Boom. I was like, there's no way it's going to do me dirty like that. No way. Let's see that on TradingView real quick. See how much that would be. So entry was right here. Chat, that's 2 for 2, by the way. 2 for 2. We're 2 for 2 right now. So right now we would have been up $580. No, I'm sorry. I want to give you all the exact numbers. We would have been up $585 tonight if we would have taken that on 1NQ. Like I said, I am pushing on a 25K account, so I don't want to risk big. Actually, we've been up $565 if this will stay where it's supposed to. But yeah, anyway, chat, that's 2 for 2 though. $600 made on this account so far in the last 2 days. 600. Who could say that they make that in in 2 days? Who could say that they make $600 in 2 days? Cash. Look at that. Look at that. We're still pushing down. What is that now? 590? 590, chat? TP3? I plan on keeping it up. I plan on it. You need to also. Everybody needs to be doing this. Everybody needs to be doing this. Everybody. Consistency is key. That's why I'm on. Look, chat, I'm just saying this. You make $300 a day for 5 days, right? That's $1,500. $1,500 in a week. Do that in 4 weeks. That's $6,000 in a month. $6,000. Now imagine you do that on 2 or 3 accounts. You're going anywhere from 12,000 to 18. Excuse me. You're going anywhere from $12,000 to $18,000 in 1 month. In 1 month, $300 a day. That's all I plan on doing for the next couple days. And why? Honestly, I would probably aim for more, but on this account, you got a 20% consistency rule. It's not bad though. Like I said, $1,500 in 5 days. Crazy. Times that by, like I said, 4 weeks in a month. That's $6,000. I don't know about y'all, but I could live off $6,000. It's for the Edge Funder. The Edge Funder. You see my link right here in the bio. Or not in the bio, but scrolling across my screen right now. It's the Edge Funder. Use code GrayWolf for 10% off. They have different sizes. It's all straight to funded, by the way. All straight to funded. They got a journal now, which I was telling everybody. They got a journal now that records all your trades. Let me refresh, see if it pulled up this trade. Boom. Pulled up this trade. I took 6 micros, 2 trades of 3 micros a piece. Made $150 a piece on them. $300. Boom. And it keeps all of your trades for you. All of them. Let's see. Take this. 5-0 strat. Save. Boom. 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 This right here is probably the best thing, hands down, any prop firm could have brought out. Any prop firm. Cash money. Right, Terry. Cash money. Every prop firm needs to have this. Every single prop firm. The Edge Funder bringing this first. Talk about freaking fantastic. They're definitely above right now. They're definitely above. If you're not trading with them, I highly, highly suggest you go and get an account with them. Straight to funded. Payout every 7 days. 20% consistency, which is not bad. Not bad, chat. To get what you want. I'll pull it up, show the prices and everything. Here's the prices. You got $269 for a 25K, which if you do that with 10% off, you get what? $26 off. So make sure I'm not telling a fib. Yeah, you get $26 off. So your price goes down to $243 for a straight funded. Straight to funded. You get 2 minis or 20 micros. Your daily loss limit 500, which I mean, that's not bad. Who wants to lose more than that in a day on a small account? Max loss 1,000. No eval whatsoever. Market data is included. Payout threshold 1,500, which means anything above 1,500, you get to keep. Oh, wait. That's what I wanted right there. What are payout thresholds? These are realized profits, closed trades. You must follow the consistency rule during your profit payout. It's $1,500 for a 25K account. You know how most prop firms have it? You got to pass an evaluation, and then you got to build up to a certain amount again before you can get a payout. Anything over that threshold is what you're allowed to request. Not TEF. Not TEF. You meet that goal one time, the money stays in there, and then you still get to take out whatever's above it. Don't have to meet that twice. $150 in profit for at least 7 days. Too easy. 20% consistency rule during the 7-day period. Not gonna pass that if you're only aiming for $300 a day. You're gonna be below that 20% by the time you hit your profit. You're not allowed to trade red folder news, no hedging, no bots. Resets are not a thing. Well, You can reset your account, but it starts all the way over. And obviously, you know, you're not allowed to share or log in through other people's computers and things like that, which, I mean, that's on any prop firm that you go to. Any prop firm. You can take out 50% of your profits over the threshold. So let's say you make... Let's say you're up $2,500. You take out $1,000, you get to keep... Or, I'm sorry, you get to take out $500 right then and there. That's not bad. And then it's a 90-10 split. Almost every other prop firm right now is doing an 80-20 split. The hedge funder's still doing 90-10. And this does not change. It always stays like that. No matter if you're, what's it called? If you're on the sim funded or live. I think actually live might have different rules for that. Let me not lie to y'all on that. Also, once you get your first payout, you no longer have to pay a monthly subscription. At least for the account that you're on. Chat, I literally cannot think of a better firm right now. Can't think of one. This right here just amazes me. This right here makes me happy. And I'm about to have a trade every single day for this month, obviously excluding weekends. But every single day I plan on having a trade in here. Filled up. Gonna have the consistency, gonna have the stream going, gonna have clips going. Everything, chat, everything. All right, chat. Unless y'all have any other questions, I'm about to end it there. Go spend some time with my babies. And just be happy that I'm done for today. In what, 40 minutes, I made $300 on my account. And now I'm about to be able to just go relax for the rest of the day. Yes, ma'am. Terry, are you going to join in for tonight's stream? Yes, ma'am. You have a good night as well. I hope you got into that. And I told you it was coming for that New York PM low. And it came and took it for about $660. So I hope you caught that short. Me too. Ooh, I need a nap too. Today was a very long day. But yeah. Everybody on TikTok, I hope y'all have a great night. Everybody on YouTube, hope y'all have a great night as well. It was a wonderful stream. We ended up making another $300 tonight. Going to do that for a couple more days, hopefully, and get this payout. Anyway, y'all have a great night.